but just before the captains ready out there.
It's New York City. It is Long Island. It is Nassau County. Referee on a big day, David Boone. Rohit will spin the coin. Babar, you won the toss. What have you decided?
We have a ball first because of weather and a little bit moisture on.
No one does it better than Ravi Shastri for these big games. Sunny Gavaskar, talk us through this unchanged India 11.
Well, not surprised at all because, you know, what they've done is they've given themselves an extra bowling option as well. Extra bowling option because they'll open the batting with the skipper and Virat Kohli. Number 3, you'll have Rishabh Pant, who will bring a little bit of...
Team, they were out to the ground very early today, but the rain has delayed the start. But in the end, the top... Just a little while earlier, Yuvraj Singh, one of the heroes of the 2011 World Cup, which India won, coming out with the trophy. And this is what the teams are playing for. A lot of people who might have come in a little late, had time to get in. And the two umpires making their way out to the centre with the match referee, David Boone, Richard Illingworth taking the ball there. Rod Tucker alongside him, be the umpires in the middle. Left in place as well. And runs on the ball straight away. It's a very slow outfield now. See the ball hardly travelling.
Help from your fielders, your
Well, Shah, really, like I said, rocked India. Oh, what a shot. It's up in the air. It's a magnificent strike for 6. Wow. Oh, if ever there was a pickup shot, this is the one. It's played magnificently.
half, which is middle is thinking of hitting 6. And he's not. His cheap legs, he does this.
Yeah, good shot. They all go up. Afridi is confident. He's very confident. Will they go upstairs? Well, they just think that they might. It's having a chat, but they've decided to go off, which I think is a fair call, because even if this is spitting for about, is that play will get underway shortly. No overs lost, so it's still a full 20-over contest. Countdown begins after 90 minutes of play being lost.
Slip in a gully in place, actually.
Things have cleared out.
Well, that was really super for Pakistan.
And he reached the fence.
That's an amazing shot, first ball.
Footwork, stride forward.
Another man at cover. One ball, they had the gully in. Just on picking wickets to really keep hitting that.
That's in the air, taken straight to point. The finger was taken out, put at point, and it's straight down his throat. And the Pakistanis in the crowd, they erupt. India have lost their first wicket, and it's Kohli. Straight away goes.
Beautiful leg into the left. Enough that he's had to reach for it at the last. That forced him to miss time.
Style of batting, you can't really, you can take your time on this surface. You 150, I think you'll be happy with one strike.
Kept away. Loose delivery, that was fine.
To 6.
And it's taken this time. The field was set for Harris, making no mistake.
Out of the fielder, but the ball, yeah, it was there to be hit, and it went straight to Harris. Pakistan picking up this.
Both the openers dismissed. And up. 2 slips.
And I think Rohit, on this occasion, tried to double catch.
And this is real time. Taken 2. That's the sound when there's a studio would have come out.
Settled things, I guess.
Yep. Wakar speaking, shots in the book. Just got to keep in the latter half of the innings with wickets in.
The new ball's been challenging and a great pacefully stroke from Rishabh.
His stop has been dealt quite nice, and then timing it on the onside. Team shout just purely because the two left. Yeah. It's a good move. Really handful, which we're seeing right now. The team to do a work for him. Bounce from this end. Yeah.
Just to back up a leg. That looks incredibly
A little different. He's the one who will generate more. Played all around the world. These deliveries.
a big swing to force the won the toss and elected to bowl. And swinging is not uneven as yet.
But have a look at this. Certainly. Yadav, what a talent. There have been a better effort from Iftikhar.
Saying is you want to flash outside as well. Look at that.
Edge as well. Yeah, he was.
And Russ is a difficult running backwards to pick up.
His first one went 4 through slip. Look again. He's going to play a shot like Sunny did easily, but in the end, the ball just was
Standing catch if he had. Clearly India is off the power play, every delivery. So that's the reason why we are seeing.
It is mighty pleasing for the Indian 5.5.
Yeah, that's his game. Top outside edge, no chance whatsoever. And the conditions are he's going to play his.
And it's 50 for 2 after.
Having scored a more good opening when Suryakumar Yadav comes into that.
This move may just now reasonably well settled.
1 over and then probably
Not given a wide.
Being a 6, but these are
Shots also, but it's absolutely lovely.
last ball. They recovered well. 50. Akshay Patel.
Be a very, very
As a skipper, you're a bit scared and bold. But you absolutely know all the legends of the game arriving.
Aksa walking away. 3 down now, India.
to do something. Look to try and throw. The bowler hits it. That's exactly what.
Player and a half. Surya
In attack the bowler at the other end. The off.
gets going. Suryakumar Yadav.
Orthodox shots, but this is as between those two fielders at mid-off, and good overs point by
The bowler, you should pick these little deep front foot of Suryakumar Yadav.
Happy when you're given a one. Well, for Pakistan, not to be.
should have come in. Rusty, as he always does, and is
The big boundary towards mid-wicket. Top edge. Smart.
yeah, this is that shot. Definitely a lot easier for him.
Somebody has to shout.
The noise of the crowd, no field.
In and now this good
10 times, I think.
The bat is as well.
And centimeter who's on a front foot, you got a leg and fine leg. Why would you bowl a slow ball on a pitch? Come, you bowl your first delivery and that's
Easier left to come and bowl the slow delivery.
fall down shot. But whatever.
2 boundaries, 2 deliveries, especially on Haris Rao. Wait, Sunny
No, it is not.
He plays reverse lap stop in Test cricket.
It's turning out to be a bit of a
Accurate. The ball will go. Pace is being used by Rishabh Pant.
Consistent line in the fast bowler. You are only going to play T20 format, and my length.
This is you can see the legs and
Fine leg.
So then that's excellent shot from.
They were 68 for 3.
sometimes you can see the ball has just left the.
Yeah, what a special player. Outrageous hitting. Well, it's gone straight to the fielder. Mohamed Amir has taken the catch and thrown the ball down into service. They are absolutely on fire here. They were needing this after a brilliant partnership between...
Maybe near the World Trade Center. Brilliant community, you know. Goddard will be absolutely delighted. And another wicket gone. They've still got plenty of batters. Highly tricky time. Really tidy, and then in comes Azim Shah for the 2 clicks. I think that's just...
Ball celebration. Earlier we had...
But he's gone up and over. Has it gone high? There's a fielder underneath, and it's another wicket. It's the big wicket of Rishabh Pant. Smiles there for Babar Azam as he takes another simple catch. And India here over the years. And it's popped up. Another wicket, first ball duck. The crowd are going absolutely wild here. What is happening? Pakistan right in the mix. Bowler in T20 World Cups has taken... Smile. Being able to get that leverage. Babar's catch. It's in hand, you still want to be...
What's a good total? What can bowlers are bowling well, bat them out. So my IPL experience. I think a little bit.
Formation in the game in the last. Keep you encouraged.
I think so.
And
Yeah, that's going to hurt. Good bouncer. Really?
Makar, what do you reckon? Pakistan.
That's competitor total, but not help Pakistan. Another short times and 2 leg sides at times.
Azim Shah, who's a youngster who should be good, but not good enough at this 33. And I think an hour or so.
Ball was dug in. There would be some dents in this.
Slept late.
Again. Come back.
Batting on this, made sure that if there's any 112, 7 down, 7 big time in this game.
A bit wider, and he was slow.
Done nicely judged.
Huge wicket. Pulling the strings, they just... Pandya just flicking it, and this time around it in the slip, but this time around this wicket. Pandya gone for 700 and...
In the air. So it's...
That was a quick delivery. In this match, they will... Well, back in this game.
Does he? He went for 13 runs in his first brilliant comeback by...
Pakistan should look to the bat, so make sure that you don't bowl loose
on strike.
Knowing the batsman in the crease, every run is important. It's an in-world cricket, in fact. Absolutely. Just calm. Even Rohit is laughing.
In the super over, they were throwing the ball. You can't just...
No. Throw, was he complaining about the batter?
They're reviewing. They're very confident.
Hell.
Did one up.
Running through flicks.
So missing everything. 7.
Taraj is stretching his back.
He's seen the batters trying to
run out. And he shot off his... And it's a very good effort. India to 119.
This was the last wicket. One was brilliant effort by the skipper. What an effort by Rizwan. 9.
119 for 3 for Naseem Shah. He was outstanding.
Innings, but he's...
Factor is off. And he's off. Fielders are generally towards... Saw that this one was played with a straight hitting an edge.
It's a long fence, so that the likes of Bumrah, the tail enders, players from that good length area. So you've got to.
What?
We saw India kind of actually decided there to put it away, but equally.
Flipping play. Here we go. Yes. didn't try to overhit it. It was
Strength will bring to this scenario. Not trying, just punches down the line. Some ways you look, it wasn't.
It's already a bit strategy from India's.
He's trying to get forward, but then the ball was nicely. Mohammad Siraj does.
Rizwan. That's hit him to miss the chance.
He's taking that.
I don't know whether he's with hard hands.
As long as...
Oh, that would have been a miracle catch.
And Babar going for Siraj's way, the ball could have gone. Surpassed India's
In mind, but if you don't have, yes, it's a bit of a lottery.
The length is important. New York, that length has been crucial.
Beautifully played. He picked up the length.
Picked the boundary balls from holders, but he didn't.
Poking it.
And that's that length we've been talking. I'd be having a look to see if this one's carried. Thank you. Looks like the ball's got strength. Yeah, thank you.
It's gone after scoring 13. But he's there against Bumrah.
Two slips in position. His ticket would have gone to the second.
Outside edge. Bumrah has completed two. Bounce and
Down the track.
That's a 6-2, 1 minute into 6th over. What
He's that kind of player, no half measure.
Pakistan previously kind of a special talent, am I right?
You can get in different positions.
Drop passes, am I right?
Absolutely. You've got to catch going down. But if you're doing it, you got to move on as quickly as possible. Your mind's ticking over. You're in.
For us, for me, watching us, but sometimes we need a bit time.
Cross seam delivery. Looked like.
Gap, 4 runs for the taking.
Pakistan 47 now, Pakistan for 1.
I think they're very clear in their mind. More nothing like it. It's a bonus.
Totally. You need your main bonus to this score.
Shot. Excellent use of the feet. One and drinks being called for.
One winning by 10 wickets. What do you think? You get a chance to have.
Rohit says no. We're going to take.
The original decision is not out. Running through. Line. Wickets hitting.
Usman Khan has got to go.
Is Fakhr Zaman to stay out there for.
Excellent feet movement. Gives him
Knock the ball around, and I think
the India-Pakistan game because of the crowd being that energy. I mean, you played
India,
in it.
the crowd goes silent.
Arshdeep Singh with that delivery.
Hit a boundary like this, you'll see it's an India game. Lovely shot. Quite an easy picking for Fakhr. And Fakhr will come down the pitch.
Yeah, looking at.
easier to get Americans to tune in and say, hey, look, at most you wanted them to be in the games.
Well, higher, puts the signal up.
Lost the ball for was short, and Khan had to really swirl. He was going to his left first.
Round almost put his foot in the bucket.
Absolutely loving it. The sun comes in at number 5 off.
And he forgot to move his also how you play in the batsman's mind. Longer. This will ease some.
Those streaky edges for Arshdeep.
Change his action, and it can.
But
Scoring match. I've not seen any.
When you need a wicket.
He is an amazing overs remaining, and it. Pakistani back in the team. You can see this one gone for 30.
Wicket didn't quite get, and it was quick as well.
no, you might have been right. You've done something great.
Some were fielding also was similar now. See
protects Pakistan.
It's really well bowled, that is.
Delivery action, so the ball angles him.
In this run chase, through Bumrah, Hardik Pandya. That's gone up, doesn't make a mistake. A point over the infield.
Really fancies the short ball, Hardik Pandya. He followed, so he wasn't able to get. So Shadab, who batted so well in the previous.
Pakistan now will have to go
With the ball in the last two fixture inning.
India will have to bowl badly to lose this now. And the row goes up once again.
Games really turn.
Professional cricketers, whatever you are in your control.
Last few overs, keep bashing that hard.
It wasn't over the head.
A dot ball.
The other great quality ball, the 18th or the 19th over. He's hardly running it. That wasn't close.
Just roll back, one frame. A dismissal throw.
That's gone up. It's takers now. Terrific catch.
Well, Surya Kumar was too high in the air.
Been in his mark, but he's taken this catch. Arshdeep, 18 runs in 6 deliveries.
Shine sharp for India have been late in bowling those overs. Appeal from the bowler. Was it missing the stumps going down? Go and hit the fence.
Knew that he was going to be bowling at that rate.
So the 8 from... Didn't have a lot to chase, but in...